In this video, I will explain the take the picture from the camera or gallery. So to upload the car. So we created the previous class. We created the uh, add car form. In that form, we have some fields along with some drop downs also. In the drop down here, transmission and fuel list is a drop down. Remaining everything is the text field, and we have the add car button. So when I click on the add car, we need to collect this information, submit to the this information to the API. Okay. So use the add car, this postman, this post request. So we have the this is a form. Okay, I'm talking about this form. In the below, before after address the car, in the below, I'm going to add a one component to take the picture. Okay, and after that, after taking the picture, we'll see the picture. If you want to re-edit the picture also, we can re-edit the picture from there. So finally, we'll upload this image along with some information. Okay, for taking the picture from the camera or gallery, both Android and iOS, so we need to depend on the one package. That package is called ImagePicker. The package is called pub.dev. So image, this is ImagePicker. Now we can see this is an image picture. So Flutter plugin for iOS and Android for pick the image from the image gallery. Okay, this is not support the web. Okay, this package is only support Android and iOS. It's not support the web. Okay, and now as per this README file, they give some information what I need to do in the Android and iOS folder. Clear? So this is information we need to add into the Android folder, iOS folder. So go to the installation, that add this picture, add this package, add this package to application. So this is add into the pubs.ml. After this, we need to do some permissions. We need to add some permission. So first we need to do in the Android. In the Android, this is hardware permissions, right? So anything we need to set up in the Android folder. So till now we didn't write any code in the Android folder, right? So everything will written the project code in the lib folder only. For this, we'll add some configuration things into the Android or iOS folder. So here we have the Android folder. Go to the Android folder. Inside the Android folder, app is there. App src main. There is a manifest file is there, right? We can see this is a manifest file. Inside the manifest file, we need to add a permissions here. Okay, so we need to add a permissions here. How to add a permission? Go to Google. Let's get the some Android related permission. Okay, Android camera permissions manifest. Just type like this. Okay, you will get a some permissions. You will get a permission from the some user permissions is there. The list of permissions we can see. See. This is a list of permissions, right? Camera permission, hardware controller, camera plus, camera. So these are the some of the permissions. Just copy this one and paste into the manifest file. Now we can see these are the official document of the permission. Now these are the list of the permissions. See, we can the manifest file, the list of permissions. So now this camera permissions are, this is Java code. Forgot about that. See, when I click on the take a picture, you will get a this kind of notification. Okay, pop up. Once you add the permission, you will get a that kind of information pop up. This is the manifest. Go to the permission. I'll copy this permission, the camera. Okay, for now with the camera, but I want both, right? Camera and gallery, right? So let's copy the camera for now. Go to the manifest. I'll write it here. Okay, this is external storage, and we can add a uh, gallery. Let's run this. This is only we added in the Android manifest file. Please listen this. Okay, no need to remember this one. Just type in the Google, you'll get this code, the permission related code. Okay, just copy the code into the manifest file. Where is located manifest file? Android app src main and android manifest.xml file. This is XML. Okay, this is XML file. We done in the Android manifest file. Okay, come to the iOS. Okay, go to the iOS. There is a command. There is a runner is there. So runner, inside the runner info.plist file is there. Here also we can add the some permissions. Let's go to the few permissions is there. Okay, those permissions are, let's oh, let's copy here. You have to observe this. See the camera description and camera library user description. There is two keys here. This is a key. This is a value. We can add some our custom image message also for the iOS. For Android is not required to add a message, but iOS, if you want to take the picture, you have to give the proper information. Otherwise, App Store reject the application. Clear? That is a restriction from the iOS side. Clear? So while using the key, what is the key? Is the camera description and photo library description. Why are using the camera? We have to give the proper information into the as a string. So here camera description is we need to access your camera to take the picture. Okay. Here is the library description is we need to access your gallery to take photo, to pick a photo. Okay. Sometimes maybe this message is not conveyed to the app store. Sometimes it will reject. You have to give the proper information. Otherwise, app is not allowed to the app store. Keep in mind. This is very important. So most of my applications are uh, rejected by this information only. Keep in mind. Okay. And copy this information. So go to the info.plist. So go to the info.plist. Already copied, right? The plist is this contain the key value pair. Okay. The key value pair. So we have the some of the key options is there inside the this key below before the key before and the dictionary and paste this information like this. Okay, so key is a camera usage description and values we need to access a camera, and here the photo library description. Okay, we done the configuration part in the iOS folder, Android folder. Our job done in the iOS and Android folder. We didn't write any single line code in the iOS and Android folder. Again, back to the lib folder, we'll write a code to access the camera and gallery to help of the image picker library. Okay, so let's go to the readme file of the this package. Now go to the readme or go to the example also. In the example, we'll get a code. Did you see this one? This is a code. You will get, so help of this code will pick the image from the gallery or camera. So here let's say let's one button, let's say I will put a one button, take a picture. Okay, take a picture. While click on the take a picture button, we need to show the two options. One option camera or gal, second option is gallery. Okay, you have to give the option to user where you want to take the picture. Okay, where you want to take the picture, is the camera or gallery. Okay, so if you camera, it's open the camera. If it's the gallery, it's open the gallery. Clear? So this is way of showing the two option to the user. Okay, what how the options is coming from the bottom of the screen, right? It's coming from the bottom of the screen, not in the middle screen, right? So if you want to show the middle also is okay, but as per the some guidelines, regularly you are habituated with the bottom sheet, right? Even WhatsApp or anything. So there's a bottom sheet. From the bottom sheet, we can pick the picture from the camera or gallery. So I need to implement the bottom sheet to show the options camera or gallery. Okay. So let's add the another one widget here. I will write a separate method for the uh, sorry widget. Okay. For example, image widget. For example, okay, which is gallery widget or else image selection image selection widget. Okay, this widget I will add the some code to access the image selection widget. Here I will return I will return column. Okay, inside the column I need to add a two buttons, one button, sorry, one button for the take a picture. After getting the picture, we need to show that picture, right? So in this I will take a two widgets in the column. One is for the one is for the button. Second one is that what image is getting from there. Show that image on the screen, right? So we require the two things. One is the camera button. Another one is image widget. Okay. So now children, one button is our button is button widget, right? Button widget. What is the title is take picture. So in the on press, comma. Another one is I want to show the image, right? Image dot assets so far we are used because of the image, the default image we are getting from the image dot assets. But this is dynamically getting. Already we used the image dot network also. It's the getting the image from the network. But this is it's getting from the your camera or library. It's a file, right? It's a file. So we need to give the file. Where is the file is located? Your phone, right? Is that that image what you're taking the image is not getting from the assets, not getting from the network image. Okay, it taking the picture from your phone. Okay, in the phone, the pictures is available your files. So that's why we are using the image dot file, right? So image dot instead of asset image dot file. Here we need to pass the file. Okay, for now I commented this code, right? For now because I don't have any file. So where can I get the file? After after taking the picture from camera gallery, then only I get the file path of the image. After that only I can load into the image. So this is for now I commented this code and I implemented only take a picture button. In that action, I will show the pop-up bottom sheet. Okay, in that let's give the some size to the widget instead of showing the size of the button. Let's render inside the size box that image. Let's say put a 150 is the width. And when I click on this button, I need to show the pop-up bottom sheet, right? Okay. So low show the bottom sheet with two options, two options. Take a picture and choose a gallery. Or options are these are the options, right? Take a picture from those options or camera or gallery. Okay. So for this, instead of writing the code inside this, okay. So I will write a separate function to take the picture from the show the bottom sheet. Okay. Show This is I will call a one method. Show bottom sheet is a one method. This method I called inside the inside the inside the take picture action. Okay. When I click on this, it's navigate to this, right? Okay. Here I need to show the bottom sheet. So for in the bottom sheet, the code is bottom sheet is this is a code of the bottom sheet. Okay, that's simple, right? This is default method, not this method. Okay, keep in mind. This is a default Flutter framework. Show model bottom sheet. Here we are passing how we'll display the alert. So alert dialog, right? Show dialog. Show dialog. Inside the dialog, we are creating the some component with alert dialog component. Like this, this is a show bottom sheet. Using this show bottom sheet, it will display the our options. Okay, in this, in the builder, we will load the container inside the column. One is for the camera, one is for the gallery. Clear? Clear, right? Now we call this and done. And when I click on the on tab of the camera or gallery, now we need to write a code to take the picture to follow the our package. So we have the some code in the package pub.dev, right? Image.picker. Take that code from there and paste here. Just only thing is the particular package we need particular package library we need to inform either camera source or gallery source. Clear? So already we have the two options. So we can pass the source information to the particular class. So that particular class is decide is camera or gallery. Based on that, it will open the camera or gallery. Clear? Hope is everyone is clear. Next. So this widget, what is the widget is there? Image selection widget, right? I will render I will render here. Okay, image selection widget. Let's see the output. What will display on the screen? Let's see. Clear? We got to take a picture, right? When I click on the take a picture, it show like this: camera or gallery. Okay. So what are the two options? That is a bottom sheet. Okay. When I click on outside of it, automatically displays. Displays. Okay. Take a picture. So in this bottom sheet in your hand. Okay. We can change anything, we can add a color or anything because of that is a container. Now we can see that is a container, we put a height is 150. Okay, if you remove this one, let's see the output what will display here like this. Clear? It's open the default normal height, it taken the normal height the bottom sheet, it comes and bit in middle of the screen. That's why we add a height of the container. Okay, so we can add a height, uh, let's say give the height of the. Okay, that icon is there. See, this is a leading icon. Camera, this is a photo. That is a two icons. Okay. Now you can see camera or gallery, right? So now when I click on this camera, when I click on this camera and gallery, based on that, I load the camera or gallery. Okay. So now later write a separate method to, okay, take a picture. This is separate method I will take. In this method, I will give the option either image or gallery. I will pass that as a parameter. Okay, let's go to the code. In the Safari, okay, we have the pub.dev and go to the installation. Let's copy the import statement here. Okay, I will copy this import statement. I will paste in the above of the this one. Now here, I will use what is the source. Okay, that is source, image source is there. Okay, image source. Okay, source. That image source and a mouse over on this, there is a source. Okay, this default enum. Where you want to call here, right? Take a picture, take a picture. Here call the image source dot camera. This is a camera, right? So instead of passing this information, we need to write it two methods. Okay, Instead of the two method, I will pass the parameter. Based on the parameter, it will open automatically that library. Okay. And here, take a picture, image source, image source dot gallery. Clear? Yeah. We done this part. And here, this is very important. What is your code is there? Okay. So that is only one thing is there is a one library. Okay. That library called ImagePicker. Okay. That library called ImagePicker. Okay. So where is the code is? Go here in the example. So from the example also I can get the code of the, see, this is a object of the image picker. Clear? So using this picker we can take a picture, pick image. We have the source, right? Gallery camera. Just pass the source, automatically open. Okay, these are the methods, examples. Okay, pick image with the camera, pick a video, pick video. Okay, this is a capture the video and pick multiple images also. We can pick a multiple images. So for now we record only image. But if you want to select the multiple images, there is option pick a multiple images option is there. Okay, pick single image or video. Okay, pick media, pick multiple media. Clear? These are the default some methods is there in the package. As per our requirement, we'll use the those method. Okay. So what is the class name is? Image picker, right? I copy this one. I will use the do package similar like that one. Okay. So here create an object for the image picker. This is library, our library, right? Image picker is a class. Inside the class we have other methods also. What is the methods is? What is the other methods? Picker methods. There is a method Sunday. Pick image, pick media, pick images, pick multiple video, pick video. These are the methods, right? Same thing is available here also, right? Okay, this is explanation of the how to use the based on our requirement. Okay, there is a number of methods is there. If you pick a image, just what is the differentiation? Just source is different. Pick a photo, the source we are passing as a photo. Clear? Pick a video, we call the pick video method. But is this requirement I require the pick image, right? So let's call the, but this return type is, let's say, pick dot pick image. So what is the source? We are passing the source. Clear? Huh? Because of that sources we are passing based on our selection. Or else we have to write a separate condition like for example image source dot camera. Okay. This method only work for the camera only. But we have the two options. Instead of writing the two methods, we'll pass the parameter from the based on the selection. That parameter will pass as an argument here, right? So that parameter is source, right? Now, so when I mouse over on this, you will get a what kind of return type will come. See, did you see this one? This is a pick images method. Method has a return type, right? What is the return type is? X file. Future X file. Any method, if you call the method, any method with the future, you have to use the await keyword. Hope is clear, everyone. So the return type is X file. So what you are getting from the camera pic image, that image will store it as a X file. From the X file, we'll get our path. That path will load inside the camera. Clear? Huh? Hope is clear, everyone. Okay. Now in this method, how many parameters is there? Source is there, right? That is a required. Already we are passing as a source. Other also there. Max width, max height, image quality. We can pass the image quality also. While taking the picture, if you want to more quality, we can pass the image quality also. If you want to less quality also, we can send the less quality also. This is very, very important because of while uploading. So for example, camera, if you open the iPhone camera, it will take a more picture quality. This depend on the phone, the quality is changes, right? So okay, but in the server side, maybe they restrict the size of the 1 MB, 2 MB to upload that. We can restrict first while taking the picture, we restrict the image quality. Then we'll compress that. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so that is the image quality as a integer. We are passing as a like for example, if you want the image quality is a like should let's say image quality 100 is there. Okay, let's say image quality. There is a Where is the image quality? There is explanation is there. Okay. The image quality argument modify the quality of the image. Clear? The ranging between 0 to 100. Clear? Where 100 is the original max quality. Okay. If image quality is null, the image with the original quality will returns. Clear? Huh? The compression is only support for certain image types such as JPEG on Android, PNG, WebP. Clear? Huh? So that is the image quality. If you not pass the any image quality to the picker, it will take automatic original image. Okay, but what is the image quality range is 0 to 100. Clear? Huh? So I want a less quality or 1 second. What is the issue? Okay, so it's defined. Okay, let's say. Okay. So while we have to pass here on right image quality is let's say example 20. Let's say okay, what is the range of the image quality? 0 to 100 integer, right? So I pass the 20, I get only 0. If you not pass that, you'll take a original quality. For now, I'll take a list quality. Okay, we are not doing anything right now. We are not upload to Instagram. This is only for the this is only for the implement the functionality. Then based on your client record, you can change. Okay. For now, I reduce the size of my S3 bucket. For that, that's why I upload the less quality images. Clear? So this is it returns the X file, right? File equal to await. Clear? If I await is that is asynchronous. Okay, why it's getting issue? A value X file can't assign to the very X file. Okay, clear? We have to put a optional. That's why it's getting issue. Direct X file is optional. Now we have the file, right? This file will render inside our image. Clear? So after taking this picture, I will write a logic. Okay. After taking the picture, I will store in the view model, not in this not in this class because of we are avoiding the set state. After taking the picture, that image after that image need to render on the screen. Okay. So after taking the picture, we have to inform to the build method through the set state. Previously, we did with set state, anything, but we are not encouraged to use the set state. I have the provider. Through the provider, I will inform to the build method. Hope is clear, everyone. We have the provider, right? Add card provider is it. Let's check that the provider is there or not. Already we created last video. The V model, the provider is there. Here we'll define the how we define the selected transmission, selected fuel type, select here. Like this, we create the selected image. Okay. What is the image path name? X file, right? X file, selected image. Clear? Huh? So here we'll write a condition selected image. Okay. We are passing that file to here. Okay. Local, it's selected here. Clear? Huh? Everyone is clear? Okay. Now in the add screen, we need to implement, right? We need to implement the in add screen. So where is our library? Where is our image is there? Here I need to load image, right? He will write a provider here. Let's write a provider. Okay. Final add car view model. Add car view model equal to provider of add car and context. We need a lesson right, lesson true. Okay. So we need to render this exit right when the changes the selected file. Okay. Here we'll write a condition is it write a condition is view model doll the selected image select image equal to null will render the size box. Okay. Or else we render the image file. Clear? Image dot file, right? So in the file we'll pass the file of view model dot selected image. Answer. Okay. Oh, sorry. Select image dot file, right? Selected image dot the path. Okay. We have the path. What happened? Okay. Clear? Now it's clear? See. So here we'll selected image equal to null, put a empty size box. If it after taking the picture, this file need to update in the view model, right? How to call the view model? Same, same. Copy this model object here. After taking the picture, okay, after the picture, we need to call the method selected images, right? Clear? So view model dot set selected image. Clear? Just pass the our file. Okay, so we are not writing any logic here. We'll take in the picture. That picture we are passing to the view model. In the view model, the logic is there assigned to the variable. Okay, after change the variable, we call the notify listener. Once the notify listener is called, it render this widget here. Clear? Hope is clear. We are not using any set state. I'm not encouraged to use the set state. Hope is clear everyone or not? Okay. Now let's do the let's run the application. Open the simulator. Okay. If you take the picture, you lost the camera or gallery. The camera is not support maybe the simulator. Let's open the gallery. So I think we got some issue. So iOS some issue is there. Open source. Okay. Let's run again. Let's run again. Okay. Because of after change the iOS folder, Android folder, we didn't run again, right? We need to run again. Let's see that. Okay. Because of the configuration we added after run the project. We are doing only R, shift R to reload, right? So that's why that image what you change the iOS folder is not affect on our code. Okay. Again, I need to run again. So after run the application, it will take in everything from the iOS folder, Android folder, will do the operations. Clear? Okay. When taking the picture, I will open the gallery. Clear? Oh, we got it right. The beautiful image. So what the image is? Camera rental, car rental app. That is our app name. Okay. So defaultly the OS will take the that name from the our library. Okay, car rental app. Would you like to access your photo library? Limit access, allow full access, don't allow. That is your access. Okay, that's your choice. Okay, as a user, your choice. Okay, when I click on the allow full access, it will open the our gallery. Hope is clear. This is our gallery. Similar like that in Android, it's open our gallery also. When I click on any picture, it should add here, but it's not add here because of we are some render issue is there here, right? So let's do this some render issue. I think where is the issue? Issue is we got the picture. Okay, we got a picture from the camera. So provide without passing the less than false. So it's supported because of potentially rebuild the widget associated with the handle. Okay, 1 second. It should render right. It should render here, but it's not render here. Okay, so it should not. This is not rendered. Okay, let's do something else to fix the right less than false. Okay, got it. So here we are not writing inside the build method. Okay, okay, the build method is there, right? So already we have object. We can pass the object to here, right? Or else we can put into the this particular into the consumer. We can write a consumer, right? Consumer that render that image widget we can render into the consumer. Clear? So let's write in the consumer instead of the provider. In the provider only, I have, I have fixed the issue instead of taking the view model in different areas. So already the view model is defined in the build method, right? So this view model object I'm passing through the methods. Okay. Using the reference, I'm calling the function using the view model. I render the item. Let's see after taking the picture. The first time only when I click on the gallery, the pop-up is display only one time only. That pop-up, which pop-up? That would you like to access? This is only one time you are access the application. Okay, no need to give the multiple times. Okay, automatic OS it will takes. Once I approve the particular application, the OS is considered as okay. This application access the camera or gallery. Okay, anyway we can disable from the your settings also. If you go to the settings, we can disable the access also for the camera. I will show here. Okay, so when I click on this image, and I click on this image, that image is rendered here. Clear? We're able to render this picture. But here what happened? The pop-up is not dismissed. Hope is clear. Pop-up is not dismissed, right? I need to forcefully dismiss the bottom sheet. Where once the camera is open, the pop-up should dismiss. Okay, we need to write a condition called how you define in the which one? But pop-up for the uh, alert dialog. Okay, if you dismiss the alert dialog, we are using the navigation service dot back dismiss, right? Pop, we are using pop. Same thing. While click on this picture here, I need to write. We have the navigation service, right? Or we can use this also, navigator dot pop. Okay, let's run again. Let's see the output. Take in the picture, click on the gallery. Now see the pop-up is dismissed, right? Okay, we get the picture. Clear? Now take a picture, click on the camera. See again, it asks the permission. The previous permission for the gallery, this permission for the camera. Okay, camera rental app. Would you like to access your camera? Yes. Okay, allow. So camera not available. Why? This is the simulator virtual device. The camera is not available. That's why this error is, this warning is default warning. This one. Okay, same application. If you run on your physical device, it will open the camera and gallery also. Hope is clear, everyone. We have the file, right? We have the file. We have the data. Okay, now we'll do the add operations. We'll do the add car API call. Clear? Okay, we verified in the simulator before. Now we're going to implement verify the emulator, Android emulator. Okay, when I click on the take a picture, okay, when I click on the gallery, directly it's open gallery. So and take a picture of camera. Clear? Allow car rental take a picture and record a video. Okay, only this time or while using the app we can select anything. Okay, directly it's open the camera. This emulator support the camera, but iOS simulator is not support. When I click on this picture, now see I took the picture. It should go back to previous. Definitely it will go back. Let's try again. Okay, click on OK. Clear? The picture. Same thing you can try in your physical device. The picture will display here. Clear? So this is we tested in the both Android and iOS. Okay, now other thing is, for example, while taking the while showing the pop-up, unexpectedly you are disallow the pop-up. Okay. For this we can enable into the our settings also. Okay, how can you go to our application? Where is our application? Car rental. This one, right? Double hold on the application, right? Wait. It should come here. Okay, hold on the application. If you go to the app info, it's going inside the settings, right? App info. In this, we can see the permissions is there, right? Click on the permissions. We can allow disallow also. Okay, I'm selecting this one. If you don't allow, we can select the don't allow also. Now our application unable to open the camera because of we are don't tell in the settings. For example, while showing the pop-up, unexpectedly you are click on the don't allow. Okay, directly we can come to here. We can select the allow also. Clear? This is the permission in the Android. Okay, come to the iOS. Go to the settings. Where is the settings? Here also settings is there. Go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down. We have the app, right? Car rental app. Okay. In this also, we gave the access to camera and gallery. We can switch off this also. Access also we can click on this one. Clear? We can enable disable from the in settings in the iPhone. Android also we can enable some permission from the settings of the application. This is about the camera access and taking the picture, both camera and gallery in iOS and Android.